now I'm going to take the lacrosse ball to the wall, okay, and show you a few things that you can do standing. Sometimes it depends where you are. If you take the ball to work or you're just in an area where you can't get on the ground, at least there's a couple that you can do to give you some relief. So the first one I'm going to show you is my favorite of all time. It's a trap release. So basically like right in here, everybody gets tight there, right? So it's pretty basic for landmarking. Just do the best you can. I don't know how flexible you are, but hopefully you can get your arm up and over and try to get it somewhere in this muscular area, okay? A couple of rules here. You do not want to be on your spine at any point during this, okay? So if you're super flexible and you're already touching the middle of your back, just head on over, okay? Right in here. You'll know. Everybody has a knot there, I'm sure. But basically from here, I'm just going to push against the wall, okay? And I'm going to start with little circles. So, oh, it feels so good. So just little circles. I can feel that nasty knot right there, that's for sure. Just make sure that you're always breathing and make sure that you're always in control of the ball. Every once in a while at the gym, I'll watch somebody get like going nuts and crazy. I'm like, I don't know how that's doing you any favors, but take your time, breathe. If it's going to be painful, just lessen up. You don't need to lean so hard against the ball, right? But basically, once you started your small circles and you kind of get a good idea of how that's going to feel for you, you can start to make bigger circles. You can go side to side. And if you find a spot that's really sensitive or sore, hold it. So just deep breath in, deep breath out, and try to roll again. And same thing, if you come back to it and you find it again, oh, that already got rid of it. Look at that. But let's say you do find it again. Oh, yeah, there it is. And basically just try to relax into the pressure, okay? So always make sure you do both sides, okay? But just that, 20, 30 seconds there, I already feel so much better. Again, great tool for traps because they are fairly thick. Good place to start is always with the foam roller, but your next step would be something like this shape because it can get much deeper and just get that much more relief, okay? So trap trigger point therapy.